So, good afternoon, students. Welcome to the computer class. Okay. So, in the last class, what we have discussed? We have discussed about the database and also Microsoft Access and data, definition of data, and what do you mean by table, and what are the data types. Okay, these are all we have discussed in the last class. Okay, next we can move some of the topics of the Microsoft Access 2007. I have already explained what do you mean by Microsoft Access. Okay, so and in this class we can see how to open this Microsoft Access 2007 from the computer. Okay, we can see it. See here, I will show you the path how we have to open it. Okay, now just I will going to tell you how to open it. Once you all have come to the school, I will take a lab. In that lab I will going to give you a give the lab class. In that I will going to show it in the computer. Now just I will going to show you through the textbook. Okay, so see here in the textbook, getting started, they have given one topic over there. See here, so first we need to open a computer. So once the computer has opened, see here there is a bar at the below of the computer. See here, in that one window icon will be there, that we can call it as the start button. Okay, so we need to open the start button. Okay, once we have opened the start button, some of the list it will going to come out. So in that we have to choose the all programs. See here, they have shown with the arrow mark over there, that is all programs. Okay, once we have clicked on the all programs, some set of text will going to get opened. See here, what are the texts they have opened here? See here, Microsoft Access 2007, Microsoft Excel 2007, Microsoft Office Group 2007. Likewise, so many Microsoft Office documents will going to get opened. So in that we have to choose the Microsoft Office Access 2007 because we are learning Access, no? So for that we have to click it on the Microsoft Office Access 2007. Once we have click it on the Microsoft Office Access 2007, how the window will going to look like this, that we can see here. See here, see here, this is the window. See here carefully, all of you. See here, all of you carefully. This is the window. It will going to see whenever we have click it on the Microsoft Office Access 2007. See here, in that they have given, see here, template categories. In that so many text they have given here. In that first, see here, new blank database, one document picture will be they have given in the new blank databases. In that, and in that blank database we can write anything by opening that blank database. And below that there are so many featured online templates they have introduced. See here, one computer picture will be there. So besides that there is another picture with a book along with a girl and boy image. After that one letter pad will be there. So after that one printer image will be there. So likewise there are so many templates they have introduced on the home page of the Microsoft Access. Okay, so this is all about the window of the Microsoft Access 2007. When we have opened the Microsoft Access 2007, the window will look like this. Okay, this is the window. Okay, see here, in that also they have introduced what's new in Access 2007. In that they have introduced some of the points over there. Okay, you can see it when you come to the lab. Now just I will explain. Okay, just go through your book. Okay, and those who have computers, you can install the Microsoft Access 2007 and you can open this Microsoft Access 2007 by seeing your textbook. They have given the steps over there that I am explaining now. Okay, see here. So in the window of the Microsoft Access 2007, there is a option that we can call it as, see here, here it is there. That is the blank database, it is there. Once we click it on the blank database, the page of the blank database will be look like this. That is, they have shown it in the below. See here, this is the blank page. See here. They have given, see here, database 5. They have given table tools, database 5, database, Access 2007, Microsoft Access. This is the page which will be opened when we click it on the blank database. This is the blank database. See here, they have given the database name over there. That is database 5. So that is the database 5. So they have named here this is the database which is named as 5. So what are all the templates that they have introduced in the database they have given. See here, in that the options are home, create, external data, database tools and data sheets. These are all the tools they have introduced for your database sheet. Okay, and in that, if you want to create a table, so what we have to do it, for that we have to open the data sheet. We have to click it on the data sheet. See here, here it is yellow color button, yellow color text will be there. That is the data sheet. Okay, isn't it? So we have to hit it on the data sheet. Once we have hit it on the data sheet, so that it will going to show in the table option will be there. Once we hit it on the table, see here, it will going to show the all tables. That is on the table 1. See here, it will automatically take the table 1. We can also rename the table 1 by giving any of the name. Okay, here they have given the name it as table 1. In that, so what you mean by table then? Table means a combination of rows and column, isn't it? So in that table we can add the fields over there by giving the name to the fields. They have given, see here, for example, if you take the student as the database, what you will going to give it, write it ID, student ID, and see here, this is the table 1, and it contains the fields like ID, and next they have given the add new fields. In that add new fields we can write the name, and next field also we can add. In that we can give the last name. So by that we can create a table, isn't it? This is all about the database 5, that what we have created by opening the data sheet. See here, they have shown it on the front of the page. This is how we have to open the database and how we have to create a database by using a table. Okay, so you will going to get to know clearly when you will come to the lab. Just now I am explaining through the textbook. Okay, see here, next we can see the parts of Access screen. See here, that is, the parts are the title bar and the ribbon are the parts of the Access screen. See here, These are all the title bars. What are there? See here, home. See here they have given so many of the icons. See here, home, create, external data, database tools, data sheet. These are all the title bars. Okay, see here in the home there are so many options will be there. See here, home page, home option will look like this. These are all the options that will be there on the home icon. Okay, next one will be the create. So these create will controls the creation of tables, forms and reports, etc. This is all about the create. These are all the options that we can see in the create. Okay, you can go through the book. You can see it clearly. Okay, because in mobile you can't see it properly. Just I am giving the explanation. Next we can move to the external data. That means controls loading data from other data sources into MS Access. That what we can call it as an external data. So once we click it on the external data, the options will be opened as shown in the figure in the textbook. These are all the options. You can go through the book. Next one is the database tools. So this tool helps to manage the database. And once we click it on the database tools, all the icons will look like this as shown in the textbook. See here, relationship, object dependencies, database document, analyze performance, analyze tables. These are all the options that will come under in the database tools. Okay, next will be the data sheet. So once we click it on the data sheet, the options are the data type. It will going to open it. In the data type you can write it, which is the data type we are using over there. Okay, this is all about the data sheets. Okay, next go through the book and see it properly. All the options that will come under in the external data. Okay, and database tools and data sheet and create and home. So you can see all the options in the textbook. Okay, you will going to get it clearly when the lab starts. Okay, now just you go through it. Next topic will be the database objects, table, queries, forms, reports. These are all the database objects. Then tables. What do you mean by table then? Table means a combination of rows and columns. That what we can call it as a table. Then queries. Queries means questions. So if for example in the database you have entered so many entries in the database. For example, consider student database. What are all the fields will come under in the student database? Roll number, name, first name, date of birth, class, section, like this. These are all the fields of the database called student. If you want to know the information about the first student, what you will going to do it? You will going to search it in the database. There we are giving a query, no? I mean question. You are giving a question of that student. That what we can call it as a queries. Next we can move to the next that what we can call it as a forms. So form will going to give the entry of the data or the informations in the database. For example, consider your school forms, admission forms. What you will going to write it in admission forms? You will going to write your names, first name, last name, your father name, mother name, and your date of birth, your mother tongue. Likewise, so many information which is related to you will going to write it in the forms, isn't it? So that we can call it as a forms. This is another database object. Now we can move to the report. See here, report means a summary of the particular topic, that what we can call it as a report. For example, consider you have writing information about some of the topic. For example, consider about your school. You are writing all the information. You will going to write down your school name. After that, you will going to write down how many classes will be there in your school, and likewise in that class you will going to write on first standard class. In the first standard, what you will going to write down, how many students are there, you will going to write it. So likewise, deep information you will going to write it about your school. So summary of the information of your school also you are going to write it. So all the information about the school, what you have written, that what we can call it as a report of the school. So whatever the document that what you have created about your school, that what we can call it as here is the reports. That is all the summary of the school, summary of the topic, that what we can call it as a reports here. Okay. Then how to, after that you can see here, once we have opened the Microsoft Access 2007, we are going to create a database. Okay, in that database, how you are creating a database? By using a table. Then how to create a table? See here, you can see it. See here. So for that we have to go to the home option will be there. We have to click it on the home page. In that, some options they have given. See here it is there, view. And in the view there are two options will be there, that is data sheet and the design. So in that we have to click it on the design. So once we click it on the design, so see here, this the box will open, that is save as. In that they have introduced the table name. Okay, see here, if in the table name below there is a one bar will be there. In that we have to write the student 1, that is the table name. You can give any of the name to the table. If you have not given any name, it will automatically, defaultly it will take it as table 1. Okay, there they have given the table name as student 1. Okay, so after giving the student 1, we have to hit it on the OK button. Then it will going to open the student 1 page. Okay, this is all about the creating a table information. So once the table has created, the the window will look like this. See here, see here, they have given the student 1, that is the table. In that field, student 1, there are two fields. They are the field name and data type. Okay, so we can write any information on the field name, and we have to give a data type. This is all about the table. Okay, next we can move to the okay students, this is all about how to create a table. So this is enough for today, because this is all about your practical session topic, all this. So now it is not possible to give you the practical knowledge because of COVID. So till now just I will giving you through the book. So go through the book and see all the options. If you got any doubts, text me in the group. I will going to tell you. Okay, and all of you installed in your computer the Database Access 2007 and try to open the Database Access 2001 from the start button. Okay, and by that book you can open all the informations. Okay, so this is all about today's class. Okay, by this I will wind up today's class. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please text me in the subject group. Okay. Take care. Bye.